I don't think a lot of people think about laundry. My friends from engineering school, like some of them like laugh at me because they're like, oh, I'm working on a rocket ship or I'm working on a race car. Like, who cares about laundry? Turns out everyone cares about laundry, at least people that wear clothes. And I think it's a really big problem worldwide. I'm Cody Berkland. I'm with Ultropia as the Chief Technology Officer. Growing up, I always took things apart. Whenever something broke, or even sometimes when things weren't broken, I would take them apart and figure out how they worked and try to fix them. And I grew up in the country without a lot of money, so I grew up working on farm trucks and fixing appliances all around the neighborhood. And I really enjoyed the fact that I could take something that was really important to someone, like their washer and dryer, and I'd be able to take it apart and fix it, usually for a few dollars. And it was the fact that, electrical systems are very complex and mysterious that got me really interested in engineering and ultimately pushed me in the direction of electrical engineering. Ultropia is an ultrasound research and development company that's dedicated to making laundry more efficient. We're focusing particularly on industrial facilities that process the laundry of hotels and hospitals, where the environmental impact is pretty significant. Our technology reduces the time it takes to process the linens, as well as reduces the energy and water usage. I've really enjoyed the VentureWell program. We started with Pioneer. That was very focused on student entrepreneurs and helping student entrepreneurs grow and make long-term companies. Then we did Propel and had follow-on coaching where we really were able to focus on our go-to-market strategy and refine that. We did a lot more interviews. We made some incredible connections through those interviews, and we got support the whole time.